notation. Scientists often work with very large numbers. They use the abbreviated method of writing numbers known as scientific notation. So this is the definition. It's just an abbreviated method of using numbers. So we worked on this last week a little bit of writing numbers using the powers of 10. And so today we're going to show how we can use that with scientific notation. So if we look at the number 25,000 and write it and move our decimal from here all the way to right there. And so here's our new decimal. And then we add the word 10 thousandths, 2.5 10 thousandths. And so we didn't really change anything. We're just saying, yeah, this is 2.5 10 thousand. And so when we rewrite 10,000 in the exponent form, it's going to be right there. So that means this is 2.5 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. And it gives us this. This is written in scientific notation. So let's take a look at how to do this. And remember, we're only doing evens today. So we did this on last Friday, writing numbers in powers of 10, and last Thursday. So if I were to go and write this, I see how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. So this would be 10 to the fifth power. 5 would be 10 to the second power. So count the zeros and raise it to that. Remember, if you're typing this, you're going to type it like this. This would be 10 raised to the power of 3. Now we're going to write this in scientific notation. So what's going to happen is we're going to move our decimal from here all the way over to there. So it's right after the first digit. So this is going to be 4.6. And then I count how many times I move my decimal. So I'm going to change the color and count. And it's times 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 zeros. 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 4.6 times 10 to the fifth. Let's try 13. So I move my decimal, and I'm going to skip this step and go straight to the scientific. So I'm going to move my decimal from here to here. I'm going to keep all digits but 0. So it's 8.93 times 10. Now let's count how many times we moved my decimal. Again, I'll change the color so you can see the jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've moved it 4 times. Let's try 15. So I'm going to move my decimal 1, 2 places. So it's going to be 99.752 times 10. And if you're typing it, you would write the raised 2, and I moved it 2 places. The Earth is this far away from the Sun. That's a long way. Write it in scientific notation. So my decimal goes here, so it's 1.5 times 10. Now I got to count how many jumps I did. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 to the 8th power. And don't forget to label it. Here's our label. Kilometers. Go ahead and do the evens and let me know if you have questions.